Hi everyone, I am Harshada Kakade and I am thrilled to introduce our project Carbon Footprint Monitor developed by Team Ozone. Our vision is simple tracking today, sustaining tomorrow. In a world where climate change is accelerating, understanding our impact on the climate change which is affecting the planet is more important. So that's where our solution comes in. We have created a web based carbon footprint monitor which helps individuals, industries, and universities to calculate their carbon footprint affecting the environment. So let me give you a walkthrough of our website which shows our vision clearly. So as you can see, we have the sign in option and we have login successfully. As you can see, we have a dashboard, we have a data input, leaderboard, tips, health alerts, agriculture waste management, education, and obviously we have a home page where we shows how carbon footprint affects the environment, how can you calculate your own carbon footprint and what actually a carbon footprint is. So as you can see, these are the perks of our website. We have a real-time tracking, smart reductions, community leadership, achievement systems, health alerts, agriculture and water management, and education awareness. What are the benchmarks of a carbon emissions? So, for example, we have a household which needs a 10 to 20 tons of CO2 per year. For universities, it's different, and for industries, it's different. Key insights and contexts are here. Then we go to our dashboard where we see our monthly carbon footprint, our emission breakdown, transport emissions, monthly trend. In the data input, we have the month selections. Then we need to input the data according to the electricity, transport, and waste. In electricity, we put our kilowatt which we have used. For example, I have used 22 kilowatt of energy. I save the data and the data is saved. Here you can see we have the total of electricity carbon emission which is 11 kg. Then I go to transport. I add my car kilometer distance which I have traveled, then the bus and the train and the flight. We save the data and then we have 3.7 kgs. Then we go to waste management. We have to add the waste we have generated in the kilos. For example, I have generated the 10 kg of waste per month. I save the data and you can see we have the 20 kgs of waste. Total of our month has become 34.9 kg of carbon emission. We go on the dashboard. We see our carbon emission. The breakdown of our carbon emission, which is 11% of transport, 31% of electricity, and waste is 58%. Here it shows the transport in carbon emission for car and for bus. Then we can see the monthly trend. As you can see, the October has peaked to 34 kg. Then we also show the transport breakdown, and here is the debug info. As you can see, here we have given an AI suggestions which shows we have to switch to renewable energy, reduce car travel, improve waste management, and use public transport. The AI suggestions are embedded for each individual, each university, and each industry differently, depends on the use of the data resources. Then we have leaderboard. On leaderboard, all the universities, industries, or individuals, those who have logged into our website and calculated their carbon emission and the least carbon emitted by universities, industries, and cities. For example, you can see on the screen we have tech solutions which have zero point 0.8 tons of carbon emission. They have reduced 48% by the last month. Then we have green manufacturing 1.2 38% of reduction. Then we have total participants which have logged into the website, average reduction. So the average reduction between the universities is different. It is between the organization is different and between the cities is different. Then we have CO2 saved, that is reduction. What is the total reduction in proper CO2 rather than in percentage? Then we have tips. These tips are generalized tips. Like for an individual, for a university, or for an organization, how do you reduce your carbon emission in a general way, not in the specific way of your emissions, total emissions, but generally what steps you can take to reduce the carbon emission. For example, we have switched to LED light bulbs, which is 25, which last 25 times longer, saves zero point 0.3 tons of CO2 annually. It costs low. It is easy to install. It is easy to use. Then we have buy local and seasonal, which shows that zero point 0.4 tons of CO2 is annually saved. It is easy because organic fruits are everywhere available near you. Then we have health alerts. So according to our emission, the data we provided to the website shows that how much it is hurting your own health. So for example, like we can see our emission was 34.9 kg where risk is very low. And you can see the air quality is good. The current temperature is calculated so that the calculation of the health risk is easy, depends on the temperature of outside and the emission we are doing. Then we have humidity. Then we have agriculture section. In agriculture section, we have to input the data same as immigration pump, like how much per month we are using it, what is the power consumption done by the pump. Then we have fertilizers. There are many types of fertilizers like phosphorus, potassium, organic, inorganic. So we have to add that. We have to add the kgs of fertilizer used. Then water treatment, like how much we have treated the crops with the water. Then we have crop information, like which crop we are using this information of and how much hectare this crops contains. Then we have water efficiency calculator, and then we have a general tips here for smart agriculture. Then the overall calculation is done here and then it is shown here. Then we have education. Education mainly calculates your streak on how much you have used the carbon footprint monitor. Depending on that streak, depending on your data, depending on how active you are, we give you points. For example, you are on level 1 and you have 100 XPs out of 250 XPs. Here you can easily participate in the games where we use quizzes, where we use Pictionary, where we use the general information to show you how you can reduce your energy, how you can reduce your public transport, zero waste week, energy audit. You can start here and you can participate in the competition. So now let's go to a tech stack. So tech stack we have used is a MERN tech stack which is expandable, scalable and easy to use. To sum it up, the carbon footprint monitoring bridges the gap between the awareness and the action. By combining data visualization, AI insights, and gamified learning, we empower individuals to understand their impact on the environment change. Thank you. I represent Team Ozone and we are proud to be the part of the greener future. Let's not forget our motive: tracking today, sustaining tomorrow.